Hello everyone, welcome to Top Compared. Pickleball is one of the fastest growing sports, and choosing the right paddle can make a huge difference in your game. Whether you're aiming for spin, control, or raw power, the right paddle gives you the edge on the court. With so many options available, it can be tough to know which paddle really delivers. That's why we've narrowed it down to the top 5 best pickleball paddles worth considering. All product links are given in the description, so make sure to check them out for the latest prices and details. Let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Vatic Pro Prism Flash. Best budget-friendly paddle design. Lightweight carbon fiber face with sleek edges. Features: raw carbon surface for spin, 16mm core thickness. Best for players seeking affordable performance with control. Pros: excellent value, spin-friendly, comfortable grip. The Prism Flash gives you a professional feel without the premium price tag. Ideal for intermediate players. At number 4, we have the Bread and Butter Filth. Best for spin design, gritty carbon face with wide body design. Features: 16mm thermoformed core, extra spin texture. Best for spin-focused players who want to curve shots with precision. Pros: massive spin, solid feel, great for aggressive play. With its unique design and textured surface, the Filth helps you add wicked spin to your game. Next up is the Gearbox Pro Power. Best for raw power design, patented carbon fiber construction with edgeless design. Features: hypershock absorption, unibody build, powerful energy transfer. Best for offensive players who love speed and hard-hitting shots. Pros: explosive power, durable build, unique edgeless feel. The Pro Power is engineered for those who dominate rallies with fast-paced, aggressive play. Coming in at number 2 is the CRBN 3X Power Series. Best for balanced performance design. Premium raw carbon paddle with aerodynamic build. Features: thermoformed unibody, foam-injected walls for stability. Best for players wanting a perfect mix of spin, power, and control. Pros: versatile, stable, and trusted by pros. The CRBN 3X Power Series is a true all-rounder, equally reliable in offense and defense. And finally, at number 1, we have the 6-0 Double Black Diamond Control. Best overall paddle design. Sleek all-black carbon face with thermoformed build. Features: raw carbon surface, foam-injected perimeter, control-oriented design. Best for advanced players who want precision with dependable touch. Pros: incredible control, great spin, premium build quality. The Double Black Diamond Control is widely considered one of the best paddles for players who demand consistency and finesse in their game. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best pickleball paddles to elevate your performance on the court. Whether you want maximum spin, explosive power, or precise control, there's a paddle here that fits your style. All product links are in the description, so don't forget to check them out for details and the best deals available. If you enjoyed this list, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more Top Gear recommendations.